welcome to my channel. So I'm Krishna and today we are going to make a quiz time on a pocket code. So let's start. So first we'll name the project. First we'll take the character background. We'll take first. And after that we'll select the character. So I have a backpack some all the states, so I will take it here. So like this it is. So first I will tell you how we'll take it. So here is who is known as the father of computers. This is question, and here we'll ask, and here we'll add a variable that answer for this character only, and here actual answer for this character only, and yes, sound will take this one, and in the other sound will take lose. Here is one option of lose, so we'll take that. So let's see who is known as a father of computers. So I know Charles Babbage. Answer is equals to answer for temporary I will write this. Here I will add one more. So let's see now. Injected answer is equals to actual answer. Let's see now. Who is known as the father of computer? So Charles Babbage. Yeah! And other will take some 56 as so it is right means. And guys, I have also made the same like that method using like that method. So if you like it, share with your friends and subscribe channel, and till then, bye bye.